In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fable 5, and specifically how to access Claude Fable 5. To get started, open the Claude app. You can do this in your web browser, or by using the desktop or mobile app, depending on what's most convenient for you. Once you're on the platform, sign into your Anthropic account. If you're already logged in, you can go straight to the next part. After signing in, the next thing to check is whether your subscription includes access to Fable 5. This model is generally available on eligible paid plans, including Pro, Max, Team, and in some cases Enterprise, depending on how your organization has configured access. It's important to keep in mind that availability and usage limits can vary from one plan to another, so if you don't immediately see the option, that may simply be related to your account level or workspace permissions. Once you've confirmed access, start a new conversation. This gives you a clean workspace and makes it easier to choose the model you want to use before sending your first prompt. At the top of the chat, look for the model selector. This is where you can switch between available Claude models. Open that menu and choose Claude Fable 5. If Fable 5 appears in the list, just select it and you're ready to go. If you don't see it, that usually means your account or team workspace doesn't currently have access yet. In that case, you may need to review your subscription or check with your workspace administrator if you're using a team or enterprise setup. Once Claude Fable 5 is selected, you can begin chatting right away. Type your prompt into the message box and submit it like you normally would. From there, the model will respond using Fable 5. Fable 5 is especially useful for more demanding tasks. It's well suited for software development, data analysis, research, long-form writing, complex reasoning, and multi-step workflows. So if you're working on something that requires deeper thinking, detailed outputs, or more structured problem solving, this is the model you'll likely want to choose. A simple tip here is to be clear and specific with your prompt, especially if you're using Fable 5 for technical or multi-step work. The better your instructions, the better the response is likely to be. And that's it. Open Claude, sign in, confirm your plan, start a new chat, select Claude Fable 5, and begin prompting. That's how to access and use Fable 5 in Claude.